Hi, my name is Sardar and you are watching Best for You channels. In this video I am going to show you how to change folder icon on our pictures. First of all, right click and create a folder. I want to change this icon on YouTube pictures. It's so simple. Right click on this picture and click on edit. After that, resize and remove this option and select 60. Horizontal 60 and vertical is also 60. Then click on OK. Select file option, save as and PNG picture. Select a place where do you want to save and the name is YouTube. Save as a type. Click on it and select 24-bit map and save. Then OK. Close it, this program. Here is my picture. This folder icon I want to replace on this YouTube picture. Click on folder, right click and properties, customize, change icon. There is a lot of icons is also, but I want on my picture. Look for icon in this file. Select browse. Here is select all files and here is that put. Open, OK and OK. Here is click, right click and rename YouTube. This folder helped me to find a YouTube videos, to keep YouTube videos in this folders. It's so simple. If you really like my videos, please subscribe, like and share it. Thanks for watching.